willy-nilly.
It's so fun. Honestly, just use it. It's very intuitive.
I'll get this train moving.
You're too late to be fair, but
How does it turn on?
the most consistent way to turn this off is not, in fact, is actually to just do that, and then it.
Welcome to Barnaby.
Standard class in zones 3 and 2. Cycle spaces in zone 2.
It's past the
Wheelchair
train.
facilities in
Yeah, it's on the
zone
other
Oh yeah, we
4.
probably ought to
Oh Christ, we actually might.
get on that.
We should jog a little bit.
Yeah, shall we
I don't
push
want to
this?
miss this.
Go.
Oh, I'm recording. Oh god. This thing sucks. There we go.
Oh, this is sick. And there's that field there as well.
This is it's already in a good spot as well. That's quite cool.
That is so nice. I sent the location to Will to see if he changed his mind, but he didn't. Alright. Hello. That is very pretty.
The highlight's quite.
Oh, it is quite. Oh, a window. Oh, another window.
I haven't got much of the Amazon in, but it is there.
It'll do. I think he likes the gimbal.
Let's talk about how you've got 50 mil.
I don't have a 51.
Yeah, you do.
Really?
Yeah, you do.
Really?
You do.
Will. Ewan, do you think we could get the Amazon on this? Probably could, to be fair.
You could put it in there.
Maybe. It's a bit dark.
And a bit big maybe as well.
Yeah.